So here we have harvested our amaranthus leaves, Rajgira, red amaranthus, and here the pot is hot. I just switched it off because it's getting too hot. We have some oil. We put some peanut oil. Now in this pot, after it gets hot, you add the jeera. And the ingredients that you need to make this veggie is very simple. Onion. You can add the jeera inside maybe. There's one sliced onion, thinly sliced. One or two. If it's small, then I think it's two. Yeah. Then we have some 2 green chilies and some garlic. And peanut powder and salt. That's it. Now we've added the jeera in. Let me add some garlic and green chili. Very simple and very nutritious this recipe is. After this, I'll add the onion. And we'll give it a nice mix. Now you see the onion has become soft and slightly brown. The crunch is still there. And I want it this way. At this point, I'm going to add the amaranthus leaves or rajgira leaves. If you want, you can chop them, thin them, slice them, slice the leaves up, but I like it this way. Make sure that you wash it very well. That is all that you have to do. Now, here. Now let's give it a nice mix. And I will add the salt as usual. What you do when you make leafy greens is you add salt once the leafy greens soften so that you don't over add the salt. So now just make sure you coat them well with the onion and the oil and the jeera we just threw out. So that's it. Just make sure you coat it well and let it go soft. Now I will cover this and let the veggie go soft. Maybe 7 minutes should be good enough, and then I will add the salt. I've opened the container, the pot, sorry, and I'm going to add little salt to this. This is, you have to see how much is required and then add. Oops, there is a leaf. So yeah, now give it a nice mix. The addition of salt will also release water and then the veggie will wilt furthermore. Okay, now it's time to add the peanut powder for our protein. Okay, now we've added our peanut powder and now I'll give it a nice mix. Today the leaves are not too many and onion is a bit more, so it is more like an onion veggie, but nevertheless, some greens, some fiber, it's very good. I'm going to have this with liver masala, chicken liver masala. I love it, and it's for the B12 content from your food, and B6, B12, and this is fiber and the peanut powder for your protein. So that's it. This is done. You can cover it and maybe cook it for 1 or 2 minutes more and you're done. Thank you for watching. Here we go. So yes, thank you for watching today's recipe of amaranth bhaji or amaranth sabzi or rajgira sabzi, and hope you liked it. And yeah, thank you for watching Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Bye.